Hello and welcome back to Tech Express, the channel where we solve the tech problem fast. So today we're tackling the request of how to buy it into Eneba. So Eneba is a huge marketplace for digital game changes and gift cards. So often as much as lower prices than you find on other platforms, but with so many options to sell, it can be a little bit confusing at first. So we're going to be breaking down the entire process into a few simple steps of finding the right game to securely making your purchase to getting into key. So the first step is to find the product what you wanted to buy. You can use the search bar of the inside of the Eneba when I clicked into it, and you can use the browser by categories, platforms, and the genre. So when I click directly here into www.eneba.com, this will be redirecting me back directly into the actual right, let's say, section of the Eneba. So you can see there's a lot of places where you can just get started. The first thing to do, what I can do, let's say for example, is to focus into something much more faster, which is, let's say that I wanted to focus only for Xbox. So when I click directly here into this elements Xbox, it will be filtering only these specific elements. So you can browse by the categories, you can browse by the platforms, or you can browse by the actual genre when you click down below in them. Now, I can strongly recommend you that before you start focusing into Eneba, you wanted to create an actual account. For this, what you wanted to do is to focus into the upper right corner. This is login or register. What I can do is to open this into a new tab. This will be bringing me back into a new website where I can just start to creating an actual account directly here into Eneba. The reason to create your account directly here into Eneba is because when you make a purchase, it would be giving you an actual receipt and an actual code. So just in case something goes wrong, just until you need this in the future and you wanted to, let's say for example, achieve this, archive this, I can certainly recommend you to have your own account. So just enter an email as well as a passcode, repeat this passcode, and let's say that we wanted to generate an account here, or you can do Google, Facebook, or Apple. So let's say for example here we have Xbox Game Pass, we have the price range, here's the type, here's the operating system, and there's so much more. So what I can do now is to focus into the element that I would like to try. So for example, let's say that this is an actual great price for what I wanted to purchase, but when I clicked into it, it might be giving you a few instructions to get started. For example, usually it does have an important notices. Speaking about, for example, subscriptions, they do have this important notices. Now here it says that this product is a trial version and works only for new accounts that never had a subscription before. In my case, I have already tried out the monthly ultimate pass, so that means that if I try this just won't work. Now it says here that the product works only in the countries that have Xbox services available. Make sure that your account IP is located in one of the supported countries in order to activate the code. A payment method must be added to the Xbox account. So here we have now the element that we can purchase. It says select a month, says buy now, want to sell digital keys, saved, guaranteed, and so much more. So let's say that I'm going to now head a little bit back, and I'm going to be choosing something a little bit else. I'm going to scroll a little bit down. I have Game Pass Core, here's a Fortnite, Legend Pack, whatever, box and all stuff. So I'm going to click into it. I'm going to scroll a little bit down, and now it says that required the base game, no expiration date, the product only works into countries of this service is available. This is the actual price of the Minty Legends pack. And once you have now focused in that, you wanted to choose the option that says buy now. When it says buy now, it says adding product to the actual cart. This is not the last step. So the next step is to proceed to the actual checkout. So to proceed to the actual checkout, the first thing to do is to focus directly into, make sure, of course, what you have it directly into your cart. So basically here I only have one product, my digital product, my cashback. This is the actual price, and this is just testing a few coupons that I can use for this Eneba in this case. So I have this specific price. I hit for the option that says proceed to the checkout, and when it says proceed to the checkout, it will be sending you now directly into the payment method. Inside the payment method, we have the Eneba wallet, where you can pay with your Eneba wallet money. You have the credit or your debit card, you have the Google Pay, you have the Apple Pay, and so much more. choose the one the best suits for yourself. Before I continue in here, it's going to be really important that you always logged it in directly with your previous account if you already have one. This is for more to get a little bit more secure and to have all your recipients in just one account. So I'm going to choose my account, I'm going to sign in real quick, and I'm going to go back directly into the payment options. Once the payment has now been successfully added, what you want to do is to go back directly into your account. You focus into my account, and once you are directly in here, it might be appearing into this left section. You have your balance, transactions, cashbacks, redeemed gift card, adding fund, and your orders. Your orders should be appearing in here, and directly here into your order, what you wanted to do is to check out your details. So since this is a digital purchase, it might be telling you, of course, that you have your key. So the final step, it will be to activate it on your gaming platform. So the process for this varies because Eneba often provides a link to an activation guide right into the page where you received your actual key. So this guide will walk you through the exact step for that element. So for example, I just go directly back into my details, check out directly into the payment, and you are good to go. So you have successfully purchased a game into Eneba. Following this simple step ensure a smooth and secure transaction every time. In my case, for example, I just focus directly into the Xbox redeemed code, and this will be bringing me back directly into the redeemed Xbox codes of the gift card. So what I just need to do is to copy the code provided from Eneba, go in here, sign in to redeem, and we are actually good to go. So if you found this video helpful, guys, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to TechXpress for more fast and easy solutions. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully we can all see you guys next time.